Welcome to another new interesting video. Do you wonder fat loss, uh, how it happens? Or fat loss will happen only through diet or only by eating less or doing a lot of cardio, whether you can achieve fat loss? What other factors helps you in achieving effective fat loss? Today I'm going to talk about fat loss and what are the factors involved in achieving that. Last week I made a video on 10 minutes abs workout by saying that few of my friends asked me by doing that whether you can you can lose belly fat or not. That thought triggered me to do this video on fat loss, to do this video on fat loss and discuss on whether you can target specifically belly fat or not. Fat loss depends on many factors like calories input, that is your food intake, what kind of food you are taking and how many calories you are putting in your body. Calories output means how many calories you are burning in a day. That depends on your body metabolism rate. Metabolism rate means the rate at which your body burns calories per day, and your sleep and how much, and it depends on your stress. Let me break it down into more details. Suppose if you're eating around 2000 calories per day and your metabolism is 2000 calories and you're not doing any physical activity, so your input is 2000 calories and output is 2000 calories, and there's no weight gain. You won't gain any weight, you'll just maintain the same weight. Second scenario, your calories input is 2000 calories, whereas you're burning 2500 calories either through physical training and your combination of metabolism, and you're doing physical training, you're burning 2500 calories, then you will lose weight because you're a deficit of 500 calories. Another scenario is you're eating 2500 calories and you're burning only 2000 calories per day, then weight gain will happen. This is a broader picture to understand how your weight gain, weight loss will happen. Let us talk about this scenario where you will eat less. You're eating approximately 1500 calories per day, whereas your metabolism is 2000 calories per day, where your weight loss will happen. So that weight loss can be fat, water or muscle. We cannot say that is only fat. To target exactly fat loss, you need to eat 500 calories deficit. That is, you're eating 1500 calories, whereas you're burning 2000 calories. There, your weight loss will happen. To make it fat loss, you need to have a right proportion of protein, carbs and fat. You need to have good nutrition in that 1500 calories to retain your muscle and have fat loss. At the same time, you need to have right training, right physical activity, combination of cardio and weight training. You need to plan properly. And not only these two factors, you need to have good amount of sleep, 6 to 8 hours of efficient sleep or sound sleep you need to have. If you sleep less, your body will release cortisol hormone, which will signal your body to conserve some energy for your waking hours, and that's a way where it will lead to fat storage. And also your stress is how much stress you are having is really important. If you take stress, again your body will release cortisol, and which will make your body to store the energy in the form of fat. Do you know this fact? After age of 30, your body, as you age year by year, your body metabolism slows down. That means the rate at which you burn calories will slow down, will be less compared to last year. So that means even if you're eating the same amount of food what you used to eat in the last year, and the same amount of training or physical activity you're following, you're not going to maintain the same fitness level as of last year. So as you grow older, after 30, as you're growing older, you need to work more harder and eat more smarter way. So to have fat loss, first you need to know what is your metabolism rate. Then these are the factors you can consider or you can plan to have effective fat loss. First is your nutrition intake, how much food you are taking. You need to take 500 calories deficit based on how many calories you are burning per day, and that amount of calories you need to put in right proportions, right amount of protein, good amount of carbohydrates and fat. Next is how you are burning calories, that is through physical activity and your weight training. Uh, Target for high intensity training that will help you in effective way of burning calories. You have right amount of sound sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours. Have a good amount of sleep. Your body recovers in your sleep time. Most important factor is do not take any stress. Reduce your stress levels, be positive, and you can achieve fat loss. Now, coming to the first question we spoke about in the beginning of the video, whether you can only target belly fat. No, spot reduction is not possible. Fat loss will happen all over the body, including belly. By doing abs workout, you're making your muscles strong, making your core strong. Whereas when your abs will appear, that is only once the top layer or the fat accumulated on abs will go off. So abs workout, you're burning calories, at the same time you're making core muscles strong. If you have right planned diet, definitely you're going to target, definitely you're going to work on fat loss. At the same time, once you drop your fat to 10 to 15% range, you're mostly you're mostly able to see your abs. But to see your abs, definitely reduce your fat percentage to 6 to 10 range. You will see your abs. I hope you like the video, and see you in another interesting video. Thank you for watching.